Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today, me, along with my daughter, is going to show how to make some very easy chicken nachos. This was my daughter's idea, so we ain't got the stuff and everything. So what I did is I baked 3 chicken breasts. I didn't season or nothing, just put them in the oven and baked them. To shred up the meat, but I was done so tired. I done made my homemade salsa today and my homemade guacamole, so I just threw this in the food processor too, which is fine. So this is my homemade taco seasoning. You can season yours every how you like, but I'm going to sprinkle some of this on there, and then we're going to mix it up. I'm going to mix that up, see what that looks like. This is my lovely assistant that's helping me. Maybe a little bit more. Let's do just a little bit more. Alright, now I am going to add, even though I've added that, I've got to add me some parsley. I'm just going to mix that up really well. Now that we got our chicken all mixed up, we're going to set it aside. Now I just took my baking dish, and you can use any size that you want. I did line it with some tin foil for easy cleanup. And I am going to spray just a little bit of non-stick spray on there. Just a little bit. Alright, now my daughter's going to line the bottom of it with some, I can't say this word, so she'll say it. She's not going to say it. Tortilla chips. So, anyway, go ahead. I just want to make sure the bottom's good and covered. So now we're going to add a layer of our seasoned chicken. So go ahead and add a layer of that. And then we're using a Mexican style blend of shredded cheese. You can use whatever that you like. And we're going to do just a couple of layers, that's all. Go ahead and sprinkle about half of that on there, baby, because there's a lot. And I'm going to sprinkle a lot of this cheese over it. Alright, now we're just going to do another layer of chips. Oh, I forgot. Here's some of our jalapenos from our garden, thinly sliced. Just going to lay a few of them on there now. And then the rest to be for the top to make it look pretty too. So we went chips, chicken, cheese, jalapeno. Next, we're going to do chips, chicken, cheese, and yeah, that's right. We were supposed to do chips, cheese, and chicken, but it'll be all right. So we're just going to do the same thing. Another layer of chips, and then chicken and cheese jalapenos, and then I'll bring you back. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to put it in the oven until the cheese is all melted and everything, and then I'll bring you back and we'll try it. See, this is pretty easy. I baked my chicken this morning, shredded it, just put it in the refrigerator until I was ready to assemble it. So, like, you could do that ahead of time, put that in there, come home and just layer your chips and your cheese and your seasoned shredded chicken. So, I'll bring you back when it's ready, when it's done. Alright, and ours is done. So now I'm going to scoop out some to try. Smells good. Alright, let me get my plate finished and we'll be back to try some. Alright, there's my homemade restaurant style salsa and my guacamole. And now we're going to try some. Pretty tasty.
That's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.